from Halong Bay. So I just checked into my cabin. It's 2 beds since I'm traveling alone. I'm sharing with another traveler who is very nice. I'll be right there. They're in a hurry. They really want me to go to lunch. So we're heading up for lunch, and then we're going to go out on the deck and cruise around the bay. I'm so excited. So I just came back down to get some stuff, but I've been sitting up on the top deck and the views are incredible. It is amazing, and now it's actually time to go to Surprising Cave.
Teacher's asking you if you're okay. Say your body's here, your mind's away. Daydreaming of what's to come. Cartoons all day, and my phone. Mama's wondering why your grades are poor. Put your headphones on and shut the door. I think they'll never know. I think they'll never know.
Day 1 has been so much fun. So first we went to a cave. It's called the Surprising Cave, and it was really nice inside. It was huge, but it was also packed. Of course, it had its moments where I was like, wow. But it also felt like I was in line for Indiana Jones at Disneyland. But that's okay, it was worth it. It was really nice. Then after that, we went to another island. The island was also very crowded, but it's okay because it was amazing. There's a hike you could do to get to the top. It's called T-Top Island. And it is so gorgeous from the top. You can see all of Halong Bay, and it's just amazing. And I was there for the sunset, and I got to see the sunset, which was so beautiful. And now we're back on the boat, and what we're going to do is we are going to have some kind of like sunset party, I guess, with wine, and then dinner, and then beer, and then it's just supposed to be a fun night, and squid fishing. So that is our itinerary for tonight.
I don't think they know. Should I really care? I know my light is there. I know what they'll say. They try to take away, but this is a price.
It's been a really nice evening, but now it is time for bed. So see you in the morning. Good night.
Can I play? Now I'm feeling good. Now it's looking good. I got me a slice you cannot take.
Good morning. It is now day 2. So I'm out here on the boat, and we're going to go kayaking and also visit a pearl farm today. And that wraps up my 2 days. We're back on the boat, actually heading back. The pearl farm was really nice, and it was like cool to see how they're made. Then kayaking was amazing, and we didn't have enough time. I was out there, it was just so peaceful, so relaxing. It was great. It's been a great 2 days. That scared me. Yeah, we're heading back now to the bus, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Thank you so much for watching.